Hey guys, what's up? So I just got to downtown LA. We're walking around Santee Alley today. What is this? The tuna? I'm
what it looks like. I forget what the brand was.
Who is the invoice for? I told them. What? Was this your first time taking mine?
What?
Yeah.
You can actually see them now. Yeah, it really is.
It's your first time too. How's it? Okay, not your first. Okay, she's the one who's like, okay, this is how many times have you been here?
I don't know, but I love it.
That was good. Salmon.
It's a monkey.
And what was it? The albacore.
I think that was my favorite so far. I would go far to even this one.
Oh.
I'm the mean one. I'm that thinking guy.
Like tingle stars. So they're fighting about who's the bigger fan of Ariana Grande. I feel like Alright guys, excuse the look. I look so gross right now. I've just been working all day, but this package right here is what I've been waiting for all freaking day. Like I was literally camping out my door. Not really, but like that's what it felt like. So this package right here is what I've been waiting for, and it's finally here. Oh my god. Guys, hopefully this is not the color white, because I remember getting the pink one. So no. We're just kidding. Oh my god. This is a mini fridge for my skincare, guys. Guys, look at it. It's so freaking cute. I can't wait to set this up and put it in my bathroom. But, oh my gosh. It's the next day, so... Oh my gosh, it's so cold. I'm so freaking excited. I put a couple of products here. This is the BOOHOO Cactus Water Hydrating Cream. I got this from their event. And then I also have the Pixi Detoxified Puffing Eye Patches. And I have this C Firma Day Serum from Drunk Elephant. And look, it's getting so cold. Oh my god, I'm so excited. And then this Pixi Vitamin C Serum, and I just like put it here. And then I also have my little jade roller and then a face mask here. And then I just got a few PR packages. This one is from Briogeo, and it's their new banana shampoo and conditioner. It smells so good, you guys, and look how cute this packaging is. And then this one is from Pink. I'm working with them on a collab again. And of course I have my SHEIN box, my monthly or weekly SHEIN PR.
Yes, so thanks so much for hopping on a call with us today. We're super excited to chat with you. Yeah, nice speaking to you too. Thanks for being very, very nice.
Thank you. Alrighty guys, so Love Beauty and Planet sent over this bag of goodies. I'm very excited because they're very eco-friendly with their products. Love Beauty and Planet Clean Oceans Edition shampoo, and this bottle is made from 100% ocean-bound plastic. Then I also have the one from the sea salt and bergamot. I don't even know how to pronounce that. And they have these shampoo bars, which I've seen these from like Target, but I've like never tried it, so I'm excited to try. This is the coconut water and mimosa flower. Then I also have this one, which is the Muru butter and rose. And then this company called Fleur & Bee sent a PR package. Look at this little ladybug. Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh my god, it matches my nails. So they sent their Eyes Baby anti-aging cream, but it's cruelty free, no nasty toxins, and they donate 1% to charity. Then they also sent over some travel size of their cream, moisturizing face cream, and the vitamin C serum. Then I also got the Rose, what does it say? Rose and Shine Refreshing Rose Water Toner. But thank you so much to Fleur & Bee. I'm so sorry if I'm like saying you guys' name wrong. So my Amazon order just came and I got myself this wall calendar, and I love how simple and just like minimalistic it is. And then there's like 2 holes here that I can put, so I can hang it up like right here. Good morning everyone. Yes, the first thing you are seeing is my breakfast. I just have cucumbers, peach, apples, some tahini, and lemon. Squeeze some lemon, and then I also have some strawberries, Nutella, and I just like set aside some of the apples so I can eat it with the Nutella. But that is my breakfast for today, and I like to put this here because I have a white table and I don't want to stain it, so I'm trying to keep that as clean as possible. Disgusting, yay. But hi guys, good morning. It is currently 8:43 right now, and I'm waiting for my Pilates class to start. It's at 9:30. Again, I like to come a little bit early because I don't want to be stressed out trying to look for parking, so I'm here. Today is a pretty busy day for me for the most part because I have 3 videos that are waiting to be edited. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Let's try it again. I have 3 videos that needs to be edited, and I'm planning on uploading one today, which is my weekly vlog, and then the other one is on Wednesday, and then the other one is on Friday, I'm hoping. And then I need to find and film a video on Sunday. I'm so excited for this week because Bay comes home from Chicago, but he's like super stressed because he's taking the bar exam. He comes home on Friday, and then I won't see him Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, even though he's already going to be back in LA because he has to focus on studying for the bar. But yeah, I'm excited. Oh my god, he's almost home for good, so we're good to go.
Oh, this is mango. Okay. Yeah.
We go to the same school.
Go to the same school.
Just kidding. We're at CSUN.
What's the mascot for the?
I don't know. I don't go here.
That thing's like
Matador.
No? It's like a matador?
Oh, it's Matador, yeah. So anyways, we're going to CSUN because he has to review for the bar and I have to edit. Hi guys.
What?
I was just gonna like use my normal voice. What's up guys? So we're at CSUN. He has to study for a very important exam. So this is our view right now. I'm gonna edit a video while he does his exam. We're gonna go get tacos and then go to Starbucks Cafe. The calf.
Look at you. It's like her backpack takes more than half of her entire body. Has anyone seen Farina go to school? Because this is what it looks like, y'all. Oh my god. This is your model. This is your Instagram queen? Is this your queen? Oh my god. I could fit you in your backpack. Look how tiny you are. Alright, that's enough dragging for the day. I love her.
Off of store. More stuff here. We got
16 more tacos.
yes. And then this makeshift picnic thing on the floor. Update, we got off the ground and put it here because
Too many ants. Asada.
Good morning everyone. Hello. So it is currently 9:30 right now and I just woke up. I have a spin class at 11 and it's on a Saturday. This is my first time working out or going to a workout class on the weekend because I usually don't go on the weekend. It's like my rest day, but I was like whatever, I'll just go. I also got PR packages last night that I didn't get to open, so we're gonna go ahead and open those. But I got a package from Rimmel London and this huge box from Doll Skill. I'm very excited because so big. It's National Lipstick Day. Our new lasting finish extreme lipstick gives you all the pout without the smudge. So they gave me 3 shades of their new lipstick and 3 shades of their gloss. So we have Lit Snatch and then Sugar Sugar. We have Honey Honey. So the middle one is Sippin', which is like the darker one. The last one is Down to Gloss. I'm excited. We have, oh my god, this is, there's so much stuff here. Like there's so much in here. Hi guys, so I just got to Cycle House. Today's actually their last day before they close down this location. There's still other Cycle House, but they're closing the one near my place. So I'm kind of sad, but I made it. Parking wasn't that bad. I was kind of worried because it was already like 10:30 and I still couldn't find parking, but luckily the lady where I like put my car next to was like leaving, so alrighty guys, so I just got to Cycle House and I forgot they're closing this location near my place. So there's like a party going on. I just got my shoes and I think it's gonna be a super packed class because I usually end up, my bike is usually in the front, but this time it's like the back, very back.
Everybody, come on in, grab your weights. Those hands out in third position and let's stretch it out. Take those hands back.
Okay guys, so for lunch I'm eating poke and I got spicy tuna, salmon, and scallops with sesame seeds, furikake, cucumber, tomato, cilantro, jalapeno, and all that good stuff. And I just squeezed some lemons just for the extra zesty taste. What's up, guys? So we made it to the beach. We found a spot.
So nice today.
We were waiting for everyone.
We're watching volleyball behind us.
Somewhere there, that one right there. Sandy too. So we got some strawberries, berries, hot Cheetos, Nutella, water, and my hydro flask. Alright guys, we have made it to downtown Disney and we're eating at Earl of Sandwich. This is my first time here. And what did we get?
We got Chipotle chicken avocado.
I got whatever she got. I got it with cheese. Yeah.
So, where are we? Jazz Kitchen.
And we got some
Beignets.
in here. That's what it looks like. It's my first time tasting it.
That. Wait, we should have like shake the bag so it's all covered in. Making a mess here.
Hi guys! Welcome! It looks like I have side bangs.
It's like 2012.
It's like two. Anyways, we got big nuts,
Beignets.
bread.
Does everyone know you have a towel on your lap?
Oh my god.
Are you struggling?
It's definitely
Definitely just bread
it's definitely just bread.
and powder.